welcome to a factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step.
Check the seals on the water tanks, make sure they match the manifest.
Already done. The flavor canisters are
Here in the blending facility, we carefully combine the purified water, sugar, and concentrate.
This pressure regulation looks good. What about the syrup ratio on line 2?
Adjusting it now, levels are stabilizing.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect carbonation.
Every Coca-Cola bottle is inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. Target from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.